Yes. Give thanks to the Most High for this beautiful day, for this wonderful sunlight. Give thanks to the ancestors for helping you with your green thumbs, your healing hands. This is the time that we're in right now. Make sure you be out here in this sun. So, we have come to the point now we going to put food in the ground. The most exciting part, well, not the most exciting part, harvest is really most exciting part. But, when you start it too, it's exciting. I'm going to show you now just putting in the seeds. That's what we're going to do. Put seeds in the ground. We're going to germinate some seeds. And we're going to watch the garden grow. Uh, I'm excited, and I want you to be excited. You put in the work. The ground is prepared uh, for receiving of the seeds. So now it's time to put those food in there. Put that food in that ground. Okay, so we have some seed starting little cells here, and what's in there is a organic potting mix that I did buy from Lowe's, and it has the perlite in it. It has the peat moss in it. It has some other organic material in it to keep it drained and loose. So what I did was I put it all in there, and then I was just taking capfuls of water and kind of throwing them in the individual one. I mean, this is how I was doing it. Again, there are infinite amount of ways that you can do everything, and in gardening there's so many colorful, creative ways you can do things. So please use this opportunity for growing food to also expand your mind and see what's going on here. So yeah, so I had already done that. It's like kind of wetting it up anyway. And so I have plenty of seeds here. Lots of seeds. Lots of seeds. Forever. I will be eating forever. The seeds produce seeds. Uh-oh. Seeds produce seeds. They just do. And I get them from everywhere. I've gotten them from harvests from past gardens of mine. Lettuce seeds. One of the bags was open, but this is a from a pea pod. That's how you grow peas, snow peas. Different kinds. So, what I'm probably gonna do is pick something and see what I want to germinate. What should we pick here? Well, I do know that I'm gonna do some Roma tomatoes. I got these from Burpee. We'll see how they are. Alright. So these seeds in here. Whoa, look at all those, huh? There we go. So we don't need that many right this second. Roma tomatoes are the tomatoes that they use in spaghetti sauce. So you can learn how to can these bad boys up and make your own spaghetti sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna put about 2 to 3 seeds in each of them. See how that goes. Alright, you just simply drop it on there. Put some dirt on top. Just cover it, about 1/4 of an inch down. You want to put it there. I'm going to go ahead and do about half of this with these Roma tomatoes, because I don't have a whole bunch of room for all the things that I want to do. You got to be mindful of how much space you have and what you want to grow. And I am having a ball trying to grow everything. But I'm also now trying to make sure that I do a good yield, at least on some things. You know what I mean? Like, I want to have a lot of strawberries. I want to have a lot of tomatoes. I don't want to just have a few tomatoes, a few strawberries, a few sweet potatoes, you know. So, you gotta make sure you know what you want to grow. There's 4 in that one. And as you do this over the years, you'll get a feel and a knack for what you really want to do. Alright, that's 4 Roma tomato plants. I found one of these. So, it says cilantro, so I'll just put it here in the middle and have the writing facing where it's going. So I have it facing... Well, when they come up, I'll know what they are. So yeah, so what I'll do also is wet it. Okay, so I put it in this box right here, and I'm gonna put this on top of here in a bigger box. Alright, and I'm gonna keep it in here. Doesn't fit flush because I actually cut this black seedling holder. I cut it. It's much bigger, so I put it. I didn't measure it to this, so. But you want it to kind of like fit on there a little flush. Alright? Okay. So now I'm going to put this up maybe on top of the refrigerator. Somewhere up there. And I'll keep checking it every couple days. I'll check it probably every day really, but wanting it to grow. But it'll probably take about 2 or 3 days for something to pop up, depending on what you plant. So remember, you want to make sure that your seeds are covered. You want to make sure that it has plenty of moisture in here. This dome right here is going to make sure that the moisture stays in there, kind of circulates around, the condensation, it has a whole ecosystem in there to keep everything wet. I'll check it from time to time because I don't have a bottom on it that I really want to put water in, so it'll suck up through the bottom. That's a great way also. But I'm just going to keep checking it and water it accordingly. So I'm not going to tell you what seeds I put in there, but on the later series, so you'll come back and watch. Then you'll be able to see what I have planted. Okay? So happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Peace.